Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. You all are fine and safe है, masks पहन रहे हैं, vaccinations करा रहे हैं एंड घर पे रह रहे हैं. बहुत जगहों में लॉकडाउन उठ गया है, जैसे लखनऊ में इज़ ऑलरेडी लॉकडाउन खुल गया है. तो बट स्टिल स्टे इनसाइड unless and until it's very important to go out. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and do like, share and comment down below. सो ये जो लुक मैंने किया हुआ है रिक्रिएट, ये एक बेसिक इंडियन मेकअप लुक है जो आप इंडियन वेयर में पहन सकते हैं, पार्टी वेयर में पहन सकते हैं, वेस्टर्न वेयर में पहन सकते हैं, पार्टीज़ में जा सकते हैं, फंक्शंस में पहन सकते हैं, शादियों में पहन सकते हैं. तो मैंने ये लुक रिक्रिएट किया है. अगर आपको ये लुक देखना है तो मैं डेफिनेटली ये लुक वीडियो में डाल दूँगी यूट्यूब में. सो सॉरी आई एम फम्बलिंग टुडे. सो आज का ये मेरा जो वीडियो है, दिस इज़ अ हॉल काइंड ऑफ अ वीडियो. मैंने बहुत सारे, नॉट मेकअप दिस टाइम बट लॉट ऑफ अदर ज्वेलरी आइटम, हेयर एक्सेसरीज वगैरह अमेज़ॉन से मंगाए हैं. मैंने बहुत सारे बैंगल्स मंगाए हैं. द सेट दैट आई एम वेयरिंग राइट नाउ मिक्स है. ये चूड़ा का, जो मेरा चूड़ा है उसका है, और ये मिक्स है रेड एंड मरून का बैंगल्स. ये भी मैंने मंगाया है ये सेट. उसके अलावा भी बहुत सारे हैं, तो आई विल शो यू ऑल. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विदाउट फर्दर अडू. पहले मैं बैंगल्स दिखा के खत्म करना चाहूँगी. सो दीज आर सम कलरफुल बैंगल्स जो मैंने अमेज़ॉन से मंगाए हैं. दिस इज़ अ सेट ऑफ 12 बैंगल्स, ब्यूटिफुल, वेरी कलरफुल. किसी के साथ भी जाएंगे, एनी अटायर, इंडियन, वेस्टर्न, किसी भी कलर के साथ. एंड दीज आर 2 बैंगल्स, प्लेन गोल्डन बैंगल्स. इसके 2 बड़े साइज भी हैं, मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी व्हेन आई फाइंड इट. बट दीज आर द स्मॉलर वन और द बिगर वन. ये है और इसके साथ और 2 है. These are set of plain red bangles. थोड़े मोटे साइज के हैं, थोड़े बड़े साइज के हैं. They are a little chunky. I can wear single, अगर मैं चाहूँ तो ज़्यादा चूड़ियाँ ना पहनने के लिए. I can wear them. There are 6 in a pair. I will try and write down the price if I remember or if I get it. If I don't know. Okay, these are the smaller bangles from the golden set. Same. थोड़े छोटे हैं, ये थोड़े बड़े हैं. That's it. That's the difference. Only difference. These are pretty bangles. These are also red with little dots of golden on it. अंदर भी उसका golden है. So these are the other bangles. These are some fancy bangles. ये मैंने, हम उड़िया लोगों में सावित्री होता है, जैसे करवा चौथ होता है पंजाबी, मारवाड़ी, गुजराती में वट सावित्री होता है बिहारी लोगों का, एंड यूपी के लोगों का, हम लोग का सावित्री व्रत होता है. सो अगर मैं ये वीडियो उससे पहले डालती हूँ तो गुड, नहीं तो उसके बाद डालती हूँ तो इट्स ऑन 10th of June. So this is these are for my saviत्री. I got a red saree, so I got these red bangles. They're a little fancy, so I don't wear it. I don't wear these kind of bangles regularly. Just for occasions. These are some, I just found them so pretty. They are so good. They are beautiful in color. They are 8 set of bangles. They are very pretty turquoise blue and with a little golden and silver work in it. They're beautiful. Very pretty. Same दो मेरे पास पहले था, जो मैंने किसी दुकान से लिए थे, बट मैं वो कटक में अपने घर में उड़ीसा में छोड़ के आ गई. तो मैंने और 2 मंगाए बिकॉज आई लव देम. दे आर वेरी नाइस. दे आर प्लास्टिक, बट एक एक पहनो एंड यू आर डन. आपको कुछ और पहनने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो दीज आर द बैंगल्स. आई हैव ऑल्सो गॉट दीज. आई लव दीज बैंगल्स. दीज आर ऑल्सो वेरी फैंसी एंड अच्छा लगता है मुझे, तो मैंने ये भी मंगाए हैं. सो माई साइज फॉर माई बैंगल्स आर 2-4. मैं 2-6 भी पहनती हूँ व्हेन आई एम वेयरिंग चूड़ा एंड ऑल. पीछे की तरफ 2-6 पहनती हूँ और आगे की तरफ 2-4 पहनती हूँ. दीज आर सो प्रिटी. सो दीज आर गोल्डन बैंगल्स. दीज आर लाख के हैं ये. तो दे हैव स्टोन वर्क, गोल्डन स्टोन, एंड बीच में एक रेड. It's very beautiful. I just love them. So I got them. So these are the other set of bangles. There are 4. I also got these. So these are also golden with golden stones. Fancy, very fancy for my videos only I'm getting these. So these are the sets of bangles. And last but not least, I've got these golden bangles. This is so beautiful. This is so shiny and glittery. So I got these. These are, I think, also 18 pair, 18 pair bangles. So I got them. I really like them. So these are all about the bangles. Next, I'll show you some nail paints that I got. I've got this very pretty white nail paint. This is not from a genuine brand, but this is some brand called Butter Beauty nail paints. So these are from Amazon. All of these things are from Amazon. So Amazon में मिल जाते हैं ये. मैंने Blue Heaven से एक golden nail paint लिया है, जो मैंने पे डाला दिया है. Accent finger. These are my fake nails. So I'm just used to have fake nails. So yeah, this is the one. 3 of these. I got set of 3 nail paints. This is some Neo nail lacquer. This comes in a set of 3. Many colors were there. I got this hot pink. I got this pretty rose pink, and I got a dark maroon shade. You can see the thing. So these are the nail paints that I got. Next, I will show you. These are some Tic Tac clips. Very important. मुझे बहुत ज़रूरत पड़ती है क्योंकि मेरे बहुत बेबी हेयर है. आगे के बाल छोटे कराए हैं मैंने. सो मुझे इनकी बहुत ज़रूरत पड़ती है, तो मैंने ये तो वेरी अफोर्डेबल मिल गया मुझे, तो मैंने 2 मंगाए हैं इससे. सो दीज आर माय Tic Tac clips. The next thing that comes are these satin hair ties. The satin crunchies. One is in black, one is in golden polka dot, one is in a floral one is like a tiger pink. I also ordered a lot before इसी तरह के scrunchies, पता नहीं कहाँ गए. A pink, solid pink, and again a blue floral types. So 6 of them comes in a set. The next thing are some hairpins. I did have these hairpins also before. 2 of them got lost. I just got 2, but they got lost, so I ordered some more. This is the first geometrical design. This is the second one. Very pretty. This is a half moon one. It's so pretty, so beautiful when you put it on a jura. Very nice. This I had in golden. I think I had in silver only. I ordered one more. It comes in a set. So this is one silver one. This is it. So these are 5 in a set. Next, I had one of these coin mala. During my wedding, I got one of these, but I lost it. I don't know where it went, but I found one on Amazon again. So it's pretty similar. I really like it. It goes really well with your Indian wear. And I will definitely post my Savitri photos on Instagram. So I'll wear this. I think I will wear this. So I got this. This is very beautiful. This is golden coin wala mala hai. Yeah. The next thing are, all these things are earrings. So मैंने ये छोटे earrings मैंने मंगाए हैं. एक सेकेंड आपको दिखाती हूँ. So the first pair is this stud. I really love studs, so this is the stud one. These are little pearls, small. These are big pearls. These are little hanging types, and this is square stud. This is round and this is square. These are little hanging. I have some like this, very simple. जहाँ भी ऐसे ही बाहर घूमने जाएं तो आप इसको पहन सकते हैं. Very simple, black and white, of course, regular. I have also got these small studs. If you can see, they're very small. Small studs. I love wearing studs, तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है. I have also got these, like these are like sun. Yeah, they're like flowers and sun. Very pretty. These. I have got these. My mom had one of these. I also got. My mom had it in gold, and I got a imitation one, artificial one. But I like wearing artificial. Choice ज़्यादा मिल जाता है. I also got this pendant. I had a pendant very similar to this, which I got from Chandni Chowk. It was very cheap, but this is not cheap. This is whole silver. बहुत सुंदर है, बहुत shiny है. अच्छा लगा मुझे. This is the pendant. मैं जल्दी आज दिखा रही हूँ ना. I'm talking less, but it's okay. I want to make this video small, not a long one. So these are some funky earrings for like I can wear these with jeans and all. Very funky, very stylish. I really like it. Nice. These are the next earrings. Very few items left. Very sad. So these are some golden earrings. Pretty golden earrings with drops and a big stone, yellow stone. I just had my earrings stuck with my dupatta. These, I love these. These are so pretty. These are so delicate but so pretty. So these I'm going to wear for my sari again. Last but not least, these earrings are a gift by my husband. I have not got it on from Amazon. I don't know if I had already shown it to you guys, but these are a gift from my husband. Pretty earrings. These are very pretty. These are my favorite because he gave it to me. So that's it for the haul. Got a lot of jewelry items and hair care and nails from Amazon this time. My husband said, if you want to buy, you buy something else. Don't buy makeup. Enough of your makeup. I said, okay, I'll buy next month. I've seen some eyeshadow palettes and lipstick. So he said, okay, fine. So then I got these. So yeah, that's it for my haul. I hope you like it. I hope I'll just put the price, if I find it somewhere, on the description box and somewhere on the screen. And yeah, I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you so much. God bless you. I love you.